Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible. I welcome you all to GRE Preparation Made Easy Quantitative Reasoning class by Mrs. Annapurna Murugan. Here are a few instructions for the participants. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and noise-free environment. We recommend you to use your earphones for best experience. Also, please respect your instructor and your classmates. Don't write anything inappropriate on the chat box. Also, to answer the polls, you have to click on the more button on your screen and then on activities. From there you will get the option for polls. Also, we have three packages, that is bronze, silver, and gold. If you upgrade to silver and gold, you'll get extra benefits like evaluated mock tests, expert university recommendations, and so on. We also have free profile evaluation with our experts, comprehensive evaluation, university shortlisting, course recommendation, recommendation reports, and doubt clearance. We have free live IELTS classes, that is Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. It is a 4-week course. And Duolingo classes Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. It is a 2-week course. There are a few Ubergrad achievements. This is the Ubergrad website. You can select the country, course, and specialization. When you go on Explore, we have countries, universities, courses, and exams. You can get all the information from here. When you go on solutions, we have free profile evaluation, talk to the counselor, country recommendations, test preparation stores, additional services. Also, weekly blogs are uploaded. You may go through them. Also, to contact us, you can call us, WhatsApp us, or mail us. Also, when you go on My Test Preparation and click on View Course, you get the daily handouts and recordings from here. Also, if you've missed any session, you can check out for the handouts and recordings. In case of any doubts, you can ask at the end of the session. Thank you. Have a great session.
Hi guys, good evening. I hope everyone is doing good. Okay. Right. Today we are going to work on simple equations. Simple equations is very much a part of like any problem that we have. Okay. So basically you will be seeing many times you have to construct the equation to solve the word problems. Therefore, so how do we have to construct, and let us do a few problems on these equations, and let us understand what kind of equations we get when we get the equations on multiple variables, how to work on. So all these things we will be working out. Okay. Again, I request you to share your answers because I would not be able to see the answers of yours. So kindly please share the answers. Okay. So even if it is wrong, that doesn't matter. So please share it so that we can analyze like how exactly you people are working. Okay. I'm going to present the screen here. Yes, here we go. So here you all know like equations very important. Equations means what? So basically whatever they give the information, we try to tag that information on one grounds. Okay, on one grounds. Basically equation is nothing but, so it is like what is that, when we have the constants and variables together equalized to 0, we can consider that as what? Our equation. Okay, for example, x plus y is equals to 5. This is also what? So an equation in two variables, x plus y minus y is equals to 0. See, I can equalize together to 0. So this is linear equation. Why linear equation? Because you can see that the degree of the variables here is 1. Okay, let me tell you guys what is degree. So basically, see, usually the equations could be of any degree and any variables. So let me tell, variable means what? Any unknown terms will be having x, y, a, b, some unknown terms. See, 5a is also variable. We have 6b is also variable. 25a is a variable. Okay, so that means what? Variables in the sense will have one unknown term in that, so that as the value of that unknown term changes, the complete value will be changing. Whereas constant is what? You know that it will be having a fixed value. For example, if I say 79, we know that it is completely 79. This is a major difference between variables and this. So equations means what? It is the combination of variables and constants together equalized to 0, that gives us equal equations. Okay. Now, you will be seeing that majority of the times you people need to uh, like use these equations to solve the things. Majorly what happens, so on the word problems we use this linear equations. What we'll be having, we use linear equation. Before I go on to the linear equation, I would like to, so how the equations could be given. Okay, so if you see that, if you have, see, ax plus b is equals to 0. This is a generic form of the equation. Ax plus b is what? I can call it as linear equation also. Linear equation on one variable. One variable. Why? Because here I consider a comma b belongs to integers. Okay, so that means a and b are some numbers. X is the only variable we have. That means I can write 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is one of the linear equation in one variable. Why one variable? We have only one unknown term. But if we say it, and it is of the degree, why I am calling it as linear? Because the degree of this equation is 1. Degree of the equation is 1 year. Why the degrees? How do you find the degree of the equation here? Yes, Sachin, can you tell me what is, can you just text me what is your issue? Can you just text me? You have raised the hand. Okay. See, any queries you people can ask me at the end of the session. Okay. So now, so this is what degree in the sense, how do you find the degree? Whatever the variable is there, now you see the power of that variable. If the power of that, so whatever the power we have, the highest power, so that is your degree. For example, in this it is an one variable equation because only one variable x we have, and what is the power here? Nothing is there, that means 1. So hence it is called as linear equation. Okay, and then you will be having, what is that? Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation will be what? So same thing, 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Why? The power is 2 here. Okay. So highest power, here 1 is there, here 2 is there, and this is again one variable equation. What it is? It is one variable equation of degree 2, hence I call it as, so this one quadratic. The highest power is this. Now if I have one more equation, 3x square plus 4, 3x cube, 4x square, so 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. This is what? Cubic equation. Cubic equation. So why? The highest power is 3, the highest degree is 3, hence it is, so this one quadratic cubic equation of one variable. But so you can have two variable equations also linear, like 3x plus 4y is equals to 0. This is what? Two variable linear equation. Why? The power is 1 only. Here I can take, so 5x plus 4y plus 7z is equals to 0. This is three variable single equations here. So today let us focus on linear equations and let us try to solve all the possible sums that we may get for our exams here. Okay. So here I am going to give the question. So let us try to solve. If 3 tables and 4 chairs if 3 tables and 4 chairs together cost 2,800, and two tables and 3 chairs cost rupees 1950. Find the cost of each table and chair respectively. Give a try, guys. Give a try. What is this? If 3 tables and 4 chairs together cost 2,800, so, and 2 tables and 3 chairs cost, so this one, so find the cost of each table and chair. So now what we need to do here, so let us take the variables. Let table be denoted by what? Capital T. Chair be denoted by C. Okay. So tables, 3 tables plus 4 chairs cost how much? 2,800. Let me take this as equation 1. And now 2 tables, you need to put them under same thing. 2 tables plus 3 chairs. So cost how much? So 1,950. Okay. So this is the second thing here. We have equation 2. So now we need to find what is the cost of 1 table and 1 chair here. So if they would have asked us, what is the cost of 1 table and 1 chair? I guess we could have directly calculated. Looking at this, so we can say we can subtract equation 1, so equation 2 from 1, we'll be getting what? 1 table plus 1 chair cost is how much? So to this one, so 5. So in 17, 9 goes 8. So 850. We could have got like this, okay? But what is happening here? So they are asking for what? So they are asking for our this one, individual chair and individual this one. So if that is the case, so what is that we need to do? We need to do the equations, like equalizing the equations, so that one variable we can this one subtract. Okay. So now let me try to cancel out t here. If I have to cancel out 2, we use the method. So what is that method we are going to use? Cross multiplication method to solve the linear equations here. So we are using the cross multiplication method. Please, if you have forgotten, so kindly have a this one. For cross multiplication, why are we doing equalizing these equations? Means so that one variable we can cancel out, so we can get the value of other variable easily. So to cancel out this, what I'll do, I take the coefficient of 2 and I'll multiply entire with this. And then I will be taking the coefficient of t and I'll be multiplying with this. So from this, what happens? You will be seeing that 2 6 times to 8c, which is equals to 0, 16, 1 remainder to 2 is 4, 5,600 we get. Now this also becomes what? 60 plus 9c is equals to, what is that? 0, 15, 1 remainder, 28, 2 remainder, so 5. So now when I subtract, change the signs because we are subtracting. See, 60 gets cancelled. So 8c minus 9c is 1c. 1c is equals to how much? So we are getting minus 250. Okay. So minus 250, minus gets cancelled. This implies chair cost is how much? 250. Now, we had got 1 table and 1 chair together was 850, isn't it? We had calculated. So one chair and one table and one chair cost was 850. So now what you can do here? So one chair cost we have. So one table is equals to 850 minus 1C. That is 850 minus 250. So which is equals to how much? 600. Got it? So 600 and 250. But what we did here, so we saw, we equated the equations using the method cross multiplication method. Why did we use this cross multiplication method? Because we didn't had any common element that could be crossed out. Okay. To cross out one variable, see, if we have two variables at a time, we won't be able to get the individual value. We need to cross out one variable. To cross out one variable, we use this cross multiplication method. I hope everyone understood here. Any doubts on this? Is that fine? Okay. Now, great guys, great. Now, I'll be doing one more tricky question, but here I'll be having two variables. Okay. So three variables I'll use, because say two variables still you people will manage to do. But when it comes to three variables, the problem comes in, isn't it? You will be wondering how to do this three variable questions. Okay. So let me give the question. Arjun, Balu, and Charu. And Charu went to a shop, to purchase pencils, sharpeners, and erasers. See, we got one more variable as erasers. Arjun bought how many? Arjun bought 5 pencils. Okay, 5 pencils, then 2 sharpeners and 3 erasers, for how much? For rupees 13.50. Then Balu bought how much? Balu bought 4 pencils, 3 sharpeners and 2 erasers. So for how much? For 12 rupees. Okay. And then ultimately Charu also bought how much? So Charu bought 6 pencils. Okay. So then 2 sharpeners and then 4 erasers, for how much? So 16 rupees. For 16 rupees. Now find the cost of, you need to find cost of 3 pencils, 4 sharpeners and 8 erasers. Okay, so this is the thing. So first let us write. So that means I have in the question only I have written pencils P variables, sharpeners S variables and erasers E variable. Let us first construct the equation. Arjun's equation will be what? So he bought 5 pens, 2 sharpeners and 3 erasers for how many rupees? 13.50. Then Balu bought, so how much? 4 pens, 3 sharpeners and 2 erasers for how much? 12 rupees. Okay. And then Charu bought how much? 6p plus 2s and 4e, that is 4 erasers for 16 rupees. Let me consider. See, it's always better to write the equations. Okay, so now what we need to do here is that whenever we get three variable equation, try to eliminate one variable here. Okay, you guys try to do one this one equation in such a way that you people will be eliminating one this one. So what I do is I'll pick up A and C. So that is what is that? Equate 1 and 3. If I equate 1 and 3, because I saw one common element, 2s and 2s is there, I can cancel out that. So what I did, so from my equation, I'm going to take out sharpeners. But how do we take out this equation? We need to equate them. Same like this, 5p plus 2e. 2s plus 3e is equals to 13.50. And now then 6p plus 2s plus 4e is equals to 16.00. I'll equate in the sense I try to subtract minus, minus, so and minus. Here, what is that we get? 5p minus 6p is minus 1p plus 2s minus 2s gets cancelled minus, so 3e minus 4e is 1e, which is equals to minus, so 2.5. What is that? We have minus 2.5 rupees we are going to get here, isn't it? Minus is so very common. We can remove the minus out and we are getting an equation here. P pencil plus 1 pencil plus 1 eraser cost how much? 2.5. I'll take this equation as 4. Now I try to equate this and I try to eliminate S only. So now when I want to do this, because I don't have any common element here, let me do the cross multiplication method, what we had did earlier. Okay, 3e is equals to 13.50, and the other one is here what? 4p plus 3s plus 2e is equals to 12. Now we need to, what is that? Equate. If we are equating, take the coefficient of s, multiply entirely with this and this with entire this. So this becomes what? 15p. This gives rise to plus 6s plus 9e is equals to 0, 15, 1, 16, 1, remember 3 ones are 3, 46 point. So 50. Then we have, what is that? Is it 3? Okay, 13, right? Sorry, 3 5s are 15, 1, remember 3 3s are 9, 10. 1, remember 40 point, I thought it is 5, 40.50. Then we have this 2 4s are 8p plus 6s plus 4e is equals to what? 2400. So this gets cancelled. Now you subtract. When you guys subtract, you are going to get this completely gets cancelled. So 15p minus 8p is what? 15p minus 8p. So 7p plus, so 5p is equals to how much? So it is 0.50 in 9. 10, 4 goes 6 and 16.50. So we are going to get 7 pencils plus 5 erasers. Sorry, this is eraser. 7 pencils plus 5 erasers cost is how much? This one. Now equate this and this, you get values of P and E. So what is this? P plus E, let me take this equation is P plus E is equals to how much? 2.50. Now, and then what is the other one? 7p plus 5p. 7p plus 5e is how much? We are going to get 16.50. 16.50. 0.50. So now equate them, equate in the sense subtract them. So you're going to get 7p minus 1p is what? 6p. So my minus 5p, it is minus, you're also minus 4e, which is equals to minus, so how much it is? So 2 goes, it is 14.00. This implies 6p. Okay, we need to equate here, sorry. Just give me 1 second. Here also let us equalize, and because, let me take up. This is the equation we have. So now what we need to do? We need to take the values, individual values. If we have to take the values, again, do the cross multiplication. Let me take out the erasers. If I take out the erasers, I can do. So eraser is what? So this is 5. So I'm taking here 5, and the coefficient of this one is 1. So I'm taking here. So it becomes 5p plus 5e is equals to 0, 25 to remainder 12.50 we are going to get. And here 7p plus 5e is equals to 16.50. So your minus, minus, and minus. So minus 2p, this gets cancelled, is equals to minus 400. P is equals to how much? 2 rupees. So pencil is 2 rupees. How much the pencil is? Pencil is 2 rupees. So here we can add na. If pencil plus eraser is 2.50. So eraser is equals to 2.50 minus 2 rupees. So which is, eraser is 50 paisa. Okay. So eraser is what? 50 paisa. So now you people can equate this. Where you can equate? You can equate in any one of the equation. So you equate in this equation. So what is that? 5p plus, we have 2s, 2 sharpeners, because we want to find sharpener's price. So 3e is equals to 13.50. 5 into 2 pencils, price is 2 rupees, 2s, we don't know sharpener price, and it is 0.5. Okay, which is equals to 13.5. It becomes 10 plus 2s plus 1.5, which is equals to 13.5. So that is 2s is equals to 13.5 minus 11.5. So 2s is equals to 2. That is, sharpener is equals to what? 1. Now we should not stop here. Okay. What is that they're asking? They're asking the price for 3 pencils, 4 sharpeners, and 8 erasers. What? 3 pencils, 4 sharpeners, and 8 erasers. So 3 pencils, 1 pencil is 2 rupees, therefore 3 into 2, 6. So sharpener, 1 rupee it is, therefore 4 rupees here. So and erasers 50 paisa, therefore it will become 4. So totally how much they need to spend? They need to spend 14 rupees here. How much they need to spend? 14 rupees they need to spend. This is the answer, not the individual one, but we needed the individual one. Individual pencil, sharpener, and eraser prices we needed. Why? To find the total amount for this. But how did you do this? So first, I'm going to repeat this. Look at this. Whenever we get 3 variables, what we need to do? First, let us construct the basic equation. Okay. After constructing the basic equation, try to eliminate by equating these 3 equations in 2 ways. Eliminate one component. Once we eliminate one component, we are going to get, so equation of 2 variable equations. Okay, those 2 variable equation you people solve, you get the values of each of these variable, substitute in the original equation, you get the third variable, and then what is that? Accordingly, whatever the question is, you people can identify. I hope so. The third equation, I mean, three variable thing also will be clear for you guys. Now, the problem, number based problems we are going to get. This was what? So, some kind of equations, cost, and all was there. But now you will be getting the number, numeral based problems here. But when you get this numeral based problem, what exactly you people need to do? And how you people need to do, because this is very common problem that we see in GRE. I give you the question, just say here, the sum, you will remember, oh, we have seen this problem. The sum of the digits, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number. Now only you would have got the glimpses what I am talking about. Digit number is 12. See, the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 12 if the digits are interchanged, digits are interchanged, interchange. What is happening? The resulting number is 18 more than the original number. Okay, find the original number. Find the original number. Guys, this question, how many times you people would have seen? The sum of the digits of two-digit number is 12. If the digits are interchanged, so resulting number is 18 more than the original number. See, let the two numbers be what? Let the two-digit number. Let two-digit number be what? XY. Usually this is what? Na? Two-digit number means XY. So, where what is that? X is the tens digit. If you see this number, Y is what? In ones place. So, Y is ones digit. X is in tens place. So, it is a tens digit we have. So, that means what? They are saying that the sum of these two digit is 12. Don't make it as x plus y. Wrong it is. Why? Because y is in, this is in tens value. Okay. So therefore, this is the wrong notion that you people will be doing. So it should become what? 10 times x plus y should be equal to 12. This is the thing. Why? Because see, if I say 43, okay, 43 I have here. So what is the place value of this? So 40. So this number is 40 plus 3. 43 we get. Okay. So we can't write 4 plus 3 is 7. How can it be 4 plus 3 is 7? The sum of it is 12. That is 10x plus y is equals to 12. So this is the first equation. Now, the digit is interchanged. When interchanged, what will be the digit? Yx the digit is. If yx, that means what? The sum of it is what? 10y plus 1x. Isn't it? What is the value here? 10y plus 1x will be having. But what is the thing we have here? The resulting number is 18 more than the original number. That means this is 18 more than original number. That means if I subtract this equation with this equation, the value that we are going to get is what? 18. So that means if I take like this 10y plus 1x minus 10x plus y is equals to what? 18 we have. Okay. So now, what is that we can take? So let us equate 10y plus x minus 10x minus y is equals to 18. And this becomes what? 10y minus y is what? 9y. Minus 10x plus x minus 9x is equals to 18, which implies, so 9 is common, y minus x is 18. So y minus x is equals to 18 by 9, that is 2. So y is equals to y minus x is equals to 2 here we get. Okay, so what is that we have? So y minus x is equals to 2 here we have. So now I'll consider this equation as 3. Now I take this equation and this equation and I'll try to equate. What is that? 10x plus y is equals to, what is that? We have 12. And then what is the other equation? Y minus x is equals to y minus x plus y is equals to how much? 2 we have. Okay, I can equate here very nicely. So plus, minus, and minus. This gets cancelled. So what are we going to get? So 11x is equals to, wait. So x is equals to this. So equation x plus y. X plus, oh, why did I take 10x? Sorry. Let me take this. Wait. Just give me 1 second. We had what? Sum of digits is equals to what? So that means even though x value, so we had taken the sum of digit is x plus y is 12. Okay, they have said the sum of digits only is 12. So now x plus y is 12 and we had got, what is that? Minus x plus y is equals to 2. This gets cancelled. So 2y is equals to, what is that? So, oh, sorry, this becomes plus. This becomes, no, we are taking this only. 2y is equals to 14. So y is equals to how much? 14 by 2, which is nothing but 7. Why we have got 7? So x we can get. Substitute in any place. X plus y is equals to 12. So x is equals to what? 12 minus y, which is 12 minus 7. X is equals to 5. Okay. So what is the value of x? 5. And y is what? 7. So now let us verify. That means 57 is the number. When we had this 57, we get 12. Okay. And when we reverse it, so 75, the difference between 75 and 57 should be 18. In 15, 7 goes 8 and in 6, 6. We have got this thing. It is verified. Getting it? You guys got it right? Any doubts? No. Okay, let me go on to one more question, age-based questions. Linear equation we see even in the ages also. Okay, when we speak about ages, we see that linear equations we'll see in ages also. The thing, let me take here one question. You also simultaneously do, okay, so that you people will also know where you guys may go wrong. 10 years from now, 10 years from now, that means they are talking futuristic. The age of Raja's father will be twice Raja's age. 10 years ago, see, 10 years ke baad, this thing they are saying. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, the age of Raja's father was thrice Raja's age. Raja's age. Find the present age. Find the present age of Raja and his father. Now, see, they gave post 10 years and what is that? This one. What is that? Previous age they have given. So now let Raja's age and his father's age be what? Let Raja's age be what? X. Father's age, Raja's father's age be Y. Because two are different things. So 10 years from now, 10 years from now, what it will become? Raja's age will be X plus 10, while father's age will be what? Yeah, Harini, can you tell me? Can you text me what is the this one? Harini, you can text your doubts, your queries. Okay. So father's age will be what? Y plus 10. But that is not just the thing they are saying. What is that they are saying? That father's age will be twice that of Raja's age. That means father's age will be equal to what? 2 times Raja's age. Okay. What is father's age after 10 years? Y plus 10 will be what? 2 times. After 10 years, what is the age of Raja? X plus 10. So this is the thing we have. From this, can you equate the equation? Yes, you can simplify this. You can say y plus 10 is equals to 2x plus 20. So, which is nothing but I can put this as, so what is that? Let me, this one, what is that? Shift this to this side. So, 2x minus y plus 20 minus 10, it will become plus 10. Okay, let me consider this as equation 1. 2x minus y plus 10. So, this is equation 1. Now, what is that ago? 10 years ago, what was Raja's age? X minus 10. Okay. So, Raja's age was X minus 10. Father's age was what? Father's age was Y minus 10. But how father's age was? Father was 3 times Raja, isn't it? So, therefore, father age is what? Y minus 10, which is 3 times of x minus 10. So, which again you people can equate 3x minus 30 minus y plus 10. So, where the equation becomes 3x minus y minus 20, equation 2. Now, you people can equate this both equations, right? So, you can take this equation 2x minus y 2x minus y plus 10 is equals to 0. Okay. So then other equation 3x minus y minus 20. 3x minus y minus 20 is equals to 0. Now equate them. Minus, plus and plus. This gets cancelled. So you will get 1x. So, and 1x plus. So how much? So this is 30 you get. x is equals to 30. So x is equals to 30 minus we get, but you know that, so we are talking about what is that age. So x is 30. So x is Raja. Present age of Raja is 30. So therefore, what is the present age of this one? So y, you can find y in place of this one. 2x minus y plus 10 is equals to 0. That is 2x plus 10 is equals to y. 2 times 30 plus 10 is equals to y. That is 70 is equals to y. Okay? This is the thing we basically have here. Now, let me see what Arini's question. Arini, yeah, you can text me, Arini. Arini, you can text me. What is your query? I'm asking. Sachin, which one you wanted me to repeat? Okay, I guess I repeated Sachin's query. Okay. Arini, no questions? Okay. So you want me to continue with another question? Okay, let me continue with other question. Okay, I hope this age problem you people have the clarity. Do you have the clarity about this? Okay. If so, I'll give one more problem on age. Kindly do it. The present age. But be very careful. Present age, past age, these things now you need to clearly take the things. Okay. You cannot just randomly take and use it. So make sure that you're taking them properly here. Okay. Now, what do we have? I'll give one more question. Try to do it. The present age of a father, the present age of a father is thrice the age of a son. Thrice, twice, all these things you should know. Okay. 15 years later, 15 years later, what will happen? Father's age, father's age will be twice the son's age. Will be twice the son's age. Okay. How many years? How many years ago? Years ago was the age of son? Was the age of the father 6 times the age of son. Age of son. So see, almost the same. But here the twist is you need to find out how many years ago the age of the father was 6 times that of son. So let us try to take what? So the things, the present age of father and son. Let the age of, what is that? Let the present age of father is what? Father, X years, and son will be what? Y years. Okay. And what they are saying that the present age of father is thrice the age of son. So that means father's age is what? So X, or so let the this one, what is that? Present age of father is X. Thrice that of sons is how much? 3 times Y. Okay. So 3 times Y. But what is that they are saying? 15 years later. Okay. what is happening here? 15 years later, father's age will be twice that of son. So 15 years later means x plus 15 years. So even the child also will be what? So it will be, so the x plus, y plus 15 son's age, but that will be 3 times. Okay. So what is that? 15 years later, let me write. So father's age is what? X plus 15. Son's age is what? X plus, y plus 15. So, but according to that, what they are saying, father's age will be twice the age of son. So it's not thrice. So it is twice. So therefore, you can take x plus 15 is equals to 2y plus 30. Okay, this is the thing we basically have here. Okay, so now, so this is one of the equation we have. So from this, if you see what you are going to get, so x plus 15 is equals to 2y plus 3. Okay, so that means we can take it out, we can equate. So x plus 15, wait, x is 3y now. So we have x is what? 3y. So I'll substitute in the place of x 3y. 3y plus 15 is equals to 2y plus 30. We have one single term. So therefore what? I'll substitute here this side, or I'll shift this to this side. So 3y minus 2y is equals to 30 minus 15. That implies 1y is equals to 15. So y is what? Son's age. Son's age is 15. So this implies father's age will be how much? 3 times 15. That is, father's age is 45 years old. But this is not enough. They're asking some years before. So father's age was what? So 6 times the son's age. The present age is 15 and 45. So that means father's sum. Let P be the years. P be the years. It is said that, so what is father's age? So P years before, father's age was 6 times that of son's age. Son's age also will be what? 15 minus P. Now you people can equate. 45 minus P is equals to 5 is 33 remainder 90 minus 6P we have. Let me shift this to this side and this to this side. It becomes, so 6P minus P, 5P is equals to 90 minus 45. P is equals to 45 by 5. So 9 years. So how many years back? 9 years back, father's age was 6 times that of son's age. Okay. So getting this? Understood? Any doubts? I'll take you back again. Father's age they had given. They had referred to the future thing. And then they had given some this one. And they were asking how many years back this much. So by equating, we got the present age. Then we considered a variable to be some years back, and then we simplified the equation. We ultimately got this thing. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. So now tell me any doubts you people have with regards to say. Any doubts with regards to equations? See, simple equations are very, very easy. But, so this simple equations need to be properly managed. Otherwise, what happens? You people end up not even equating them. Okay. So we cannot end up not equating them. At least you need to equate and you need to get the answers, because they are going to check us on direct answers. Okay. They won't be seeing the steps for steps and all. No mark. You people know that. It is direct answers. So be very precise in so handling such questions. Okay, these are, they look very simple, but it is little complicated while equating. Kindly work on these particular things. Okay, so practice more putting the equations, how you construct the equations. You people practice, especially practice on age problems. So all these things, because these are very commonly found in GR. Okay, okay guys, any doubts you people have? No doubts? Sure. Okay then. Okay then, see you tomorrow guys with more math problems. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Also, if anyone has any doubt related to the Ubergrad website or the handouts or recordings, you may ask now. Otherwise, I'll end the session. Thank you.